Medical notes this week: forget an electric toothbrush. In the future, robots may be brushing your teeth. In a recent study published in ACS Nano, researchers have designed micro-robots that can perform this daily hygiene task. The motion of these tiny machines can be controlled using a magnetic field, ensuring each tooth is cleaned thoroughly. The robots are intended to help those who lack the physical ability to adequately brush their teeth themselves. Air pollution is taking years off of life expectancy. According to a new Air Quality Life Index report, this pollution takes an average of 2.2 years off of global life expectancy. In some regions of the world, life expectancy is shortened by 5 years. Experts blame the smog that infiltrates our air. When inhaled, it increases our risk for heart and lung disease. Scientists say it's imperative to reduce air pollution to protect both our health and our climate. Can gardening help ease symptoms of anxiety and depression? According to a study published in PLOS ONE, people with these psychological conditions can experience a boost in mental well-being while gardening. The activity involves skills such as learning, planning, creativity, and physical movement, all of which have been found therapeutic in medical settings. And finally, has Zoom hindered creativity? A study found in Nature says that virtual meetings make collaboration harder and suppress creativity. In their research, scientists compared in-person teams to their virtual counterparts. They discovered that virtual teams produced 15 to 20% fewer ideas than teams who met in person. The findings led researchers to believe creative stimulation is diminished when the ability to wander around a space and find inspiration is taken away. And that's Medical Notes this week. I'm Shel Lustig.